I am Athena Mariah with Hard Shell Slimy Snail, and welcome to my studio. I have been pursuing my dream of being a full-time artist pretty much my whole life. And it's here, it's happening, and I'm so excited to welcome you to my video channel. I have my own home studio here in my lovely garage, where I've created a perfect maker space for what I do. I have my own kiln, I have my own slab roller, I have my little potter's wheel, and I have all of my, stuff. I got my stuff here. It's so exciting. As an artist, I like to consider myself really just a maker. I love making things, whether it's painting, drawing, ceramics, or even DIY projects. So on my channel, what you'll find is different projects that I make, also classes. So if you're interested in free ceramic pottery workshops, I offer a whole page of classes. This is where you could learn techniques in basic pottery, but then you could also learn different projects. Let's get started making our tiles. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you happen to have $2 to spare, please go to my Patreon page and you might win some free stuff. If you're interested in the different things I have for sale, please go to my website, hardshellslimysnail.com. All right, bye.